assistant, time to take care of your horses.
You're right.
You gotta go feed Cupcake, Fred, and what's your other? Bunker, right?
Yeah, Bunker.
All right, so, hey, there's your carrot right there. Let's go to the barn.
I should have some more carrots.
Yeah, you got more carrots right here. So here's your stable.
Wait, all the carrots are gone. There used to be 2 more right on this hay.
All the carrots and apples are gone?
Yeah.
What?
We gotta find them.
We gotta find them. So why don't you take your Cupcake and we're gonna go for a ride.
Right. Taking Cupcake out.
So PJ Masks and Paw Patrol is gonna help us find them. I heard that they found them and they left them in certain spots. So when we find PJ Masks and Paw Patrol, we'll find them.
We'll know we're close.
Wait a minute. Let's go over here and look inside the barn.
Okay, I'll leave that there.
Okay, so wait a minute. Hey, why don't you feed Cupcake? Cupcake, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Cupcake's hungry. Good job. All right, so let's go inside the barn and see if we can find. So you're gonna go up the slide? So this is our box fort that we have. Hey, I got it. I'll go over here. Ready? So there's Fred and there's Bunker. And then here's our box fort. So I'm gonna come up here.
Oh, look in there.
Do you see anything?
No.
Assistant, we've gotta find them. So we're way up here.
Let's go down.
All right, so there is Cupcake. Down goes the assistant. Whoa, was that fast?
Yeah.
All right, so then we gotta go inside the barn because we're on top of the barn. And now we're gonna go down it. Whoa, so fast. Oh, all right, let's go inside.
Okay.
All right. Ooh, I might need to use night vision inside of here, right? Okay, I've got night vision on so we can see inside the barn. All right, do you see anything in here, assistant?
It's a dead end.
Oh, there's nothing over there? Let's look on the other side of the barn.
Mr. Engineer, I found another carrot and,
So we're inside. Wait a minute, you found a carrot and gecko?
yeah.
Show me.
So Gecko was right there and the carrot was right there.
Oh, let's bring them back out of the barn, okay?
Okay, it's pretty dark in the barn.
And it's really dark in the barn. When you gotta feed your horses, you gotta get up early, right?
Right.
All right, so we're gonna get back out. So there's the assistant. Let me put the special night vision off. All right, so there's Gecko, and
Just gonna go down the slide.
we got our 2 carrots right there. There's Fred and Bunker. And the assistant's gonna go down the slide.
No, Gecko is.
Oh, Gecko is. There goes Gecko. Whoa!
Here I go. Whoa.
Whoa, good job. All right, so now let's take Cupcake. Maybe we should go across the bridge, and maybe it's over by Toys R Us.
Okay, we're going across the bridge.
So the assistant's gonna take her pet zebra, Cupcake, across the bridge. So here she goes. Good job. All right, let's go through our secret spots, okay?
Okay,
So now we're over by the cafes.
in the city. Or the town.
So she rode her horse we're going to our town. All right, so here's a cafe. Let's see if there's anything inside of there. And then there's
Nothing in the cafe.
let me see here. Yeah, I don't see anything in there either. All right, let's go inside the house. What do you see? Oh, look, it's Catboy and another carrot.
How many carrots do we need?
We gotta find them all. So we found 2, and then right here, let's see if there's anything inside your ice cream cart. No, nothing in there. Is there anything in there that a horse can eat? Yeah, ice cream.
I'm gonna go put this back where everything else is.
Okay, so wait a minute. Let's check inside the box fort. So we gotta go inside this box fort, right?
Wait, I have a great idea. I'll see an overhead view first.
So she's gonna go all the way to the top. Do you see anything? She's on the 3rd story at the box fort. Do you see anything, assistant?
No, there's a roof covering it up.
So we might need to go inside of there. What do you think?
Yeah. I'll get down.
Okay.
Wish me luck.
So we've got to go inside the box fort, right?
Right.
So already we went inside the barn, but now we've got to go inside of here.
Are you coming?
I am. Lead the way.
Okay.
So let's go inside the box fort. This is Box Fort Village.
Box Fort Village.
Wow. All right, so here we go.
Whoa.
Do you see anything?
No.
All right, let's keep going.
Now which way do you want to go? Like straight?
Yeah, let's go right through there, right? That's where we gotta go.
Mr. Engineer!
Yeah.
It's dark in here.
Oh, it is dark. Let's turn on the night vision. All right, so we got the night vision on. And wait, where did the assistant go?
Right here.
Oh, there she is. So, you see anything in here?
No, we're in a dead end. How do we go? Wait. Go back out. I have an idea.
You've got an idea? Good. We need to figure out how to get out of here.
We go not under, over.
Over? Oh, yeah, we can go on top of it. Good job. So we're back up over.
Yay!
What do you see?
It's a celebration.
What's the celebration? Oh, it's Owlette.
And another carrot.
Owlette and another carrot. Good job, assistant.
Now let's go back.
So we found Catboy and Owlette, but we didn't found any of the members of Paw Patrol yet, right?
Right. I guess we have to keep looking.
That's right. And then we gotta take it all back to feed our horses.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go back out of the box fort and get back on your horse. I mean, on your zebra. Now I'm gonna go through. Assistant! Hey, where did she go?
I'm right here.
Oh, she's right there. Good. All right, so here we go. She's got to ride her zebra some more. Whew. All right, let's go to Toys R Us and Chuck E. Cheese.
Mr. Engineer, so we don't have to look through both of them.
You can go up on that slide.
And look,
What do you see?
doesn't look like there's anything in Chuck E. Cheese.
We might need to go inside and check.
Okay.
So let's go down that slide. And then inside Chuck E. Cheese, our Chuck E. Cheese box fort.
Oh.
Okay, let's go
I
inside.
found something.
What did you find? We're inside the Chuck E. Cheese.
And there's something else. I call it my new invention. A ball carrot.
Oh, look! Cheese had a carrot inside of the Chuck E. Cheese ball pit, right?
Right. Whoa.
Good job, so we found another carrot. Okay, let's go back out. Maybe there's something at Toys R Us. Okay. There's Marshall by the Paw Patrol lookout.
And it's an apple.
You found an apple next to him?
Yeah.
Well, so we found an apple and we found a carrot.
Let's go in here.
And now we're gonna go inside of Toys R Us.
Chugga, 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 chugga. Choo-choo.
So here we are inside of Toys R Us.
Look.
Look, it's Sky and another apple, right?
Right.
Wow, that's so cool. Okay, so we need to get back to the stable so you can feed them, right?
Right. I think we have more than enough to feed.
So we got all those carrots and we got 2 apples. I think we have hopefully enough for 2 of each, right?
Yeah.
All right, assistants, let's go.
I'm gonna put my apples and carrots right there.
I'll tell you what, I'll hold them for you, and then you can turn your zebra around. Well, she went back into Chuck E. Cheese.
My apple flew in there.
Oh, yeah. All right, so there's that. So look, I'm gonna hold these for the assistant.
Okay.
Wow, assistant, we're going all through the studio, aren't we?
Yeah. It's like a studio tour.
It is. So There's our ice cream truck. Well, there's a fruit stand.
Maybe we could get something for them.
Yeah, let's see if there's anything here that they would want. What do you think? Do you think they would eat that lettuce?
Maybe some strawberries
Sure, we can give them the strawberries.
and one lettuce.
Okay, let's go back to the stable.
Okay. Actually, we have enough food.
Okay, no lettuce. All right, so here we are. There's the fire truck. That's for Marshall, right?
Yep. Here's the pirate ship for Zuma.
Zuma's pirate ship. Good job.
Cardboard.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's our roller coaster.
Yeah, that's fun.
And then back inside by the box fort stable, right?
Right. Hey guys, got you some food.
We got your food. Here you go, Bunker. Would you like a carrot? Oh, he's eating it really fast, assistant. He ate that whole carrot. Whoa, what do you have? I'm gonna give Fred the apple.
Here you go.
Whoa, oh, he's eating that apple. He ate the whole apple. What are you feeding, assistant?
Now I'm gonna feed him on strawberry.
Good job. Hey, people at home, what do you think about the assistant? Why don't you show them your stable a little bit better? So these are her two ponies and her zebra.
I'll give names. So this one's Bunker. Hey Bunker.
Hey, Bunker.
Fred.
Fred.
This is the one Mr. Engineer named.
That's mine. I named him Fred.
This is my mom's.
Mm-hmm. She named him Bunker. And then there's
This
Cupcake.
is mine.
What?
I named Cupcake.
Why'd you name him that?
It's a her.
Why'd you name her that?
I love cupcakes and sugar.
Oh. Well, then we'll give her one more carrot. Here
I
you go.
gave her another carrot.
Oh, she ate that carrot too. Oh, Cupcake, you really like carrots, doesn't she?
Yeah, I'm gonna give both of them a strawberry.
Okay, people at home, do you want to see the assistant ride anymore and do some missions with her fun Cupcake, Fred, and Bunker? And who would you choose to ride? Would you ride Bunker? Would you ride Fred? Or would you ride Cupcake? Leave a comment. Have your parents leave a comment and let us know. Okay, assistant, let's go for another ride, okay?
Okay.
Maybe I'm gonna ride Fred. Okay, Fred. I got Fred. And the assistant's gonna ride
Cupcake.
Cupcake. All right, let's go, assistant.
Okay.
So off we go. Okay, everyone.
Have a great day.
Have a great day. I'm gonna catch you, assistant. I'm gonna catch you. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.